In this video, we're going to talk about relations. So here are the objectives of this lesson. To define relations, domain, and range, and to determine the types of relations. So first, let's define relation, domain, and range. When we say relation, it is a set of ordered pairs relating the elements of one set to the elements of another set. When we say domain, it is the set of all first coordinates, or set of all possible values of x for which y is defined and is a real number, while range, it is the set of all second coordinates, or shall we say, the set of all possible values of y as x takes on its values in the domain. So here are the different types of relations. First, a relation is said to be one-to-one if one element in set X is paired with one element in set Y. Second, a relation is said to be many-to-one if many or more than one element in set X is paired with the same element in Y. Lastly, a relation is said to be one-to-many if one element in set X is paired with different elements in set Y. So for us to really understand domain, range, and types of relations, let's try to answer this example. So if we're going to determine the domain here, we can say that the domain are H, Hg, Pb, and W, while the range, hydrogen, mercury, lead, and tungsten. While the type of relation, it is very obvious that each symbol is paired with one element in the range. Therefore, we can say that the type of relation here is a one-to-one relation. Let's have another example. So, again, we can say that the domain here are 4, 8, and 9, while the range 2 and 3. So to determine the type of relation, it is very obvious that 4 and 8 are both paired with one element in the range, which is 2. So with that, we can conclude that the type of relation in this given example is a many-to-one relation. Let's have another example. So we have here examples not in mapping diagram, not illustrated in mapping diagram. Instead, it is in set of ordered pairs. So you can easily determine the domain and the range. But if you want to easily determine the type of relation, you can illustrate this using a mapping diagram. So first, let's determine the domain. The domain, we have here the domain A and it appears 4 times. So if this will be the case, you're just going to write it once. Let's proceed to the range. So the range are 2, 4, 6, and 8. And to determine the type of relation, so we can see that A is paired with 2, 4, 6, and 8. So with that, we can say the type of relation here is a one-to-many relation. So try to answer this. Hit the pause button and answer this. Okay, if you're done, these are the answers. I hope you got it correct. So that's only for today. That's all. Thank you for watching.